What's going on, Autolust gang? And today I'm gonna tell you why you definitely should buy the BMW X5 N55 platform F15 chassis. 5 reasons. Let's get it. Okay guys, right off back, number one is gonna be the front end. Definitely the front end compared to the X6. And the reason why I like the front end of the X5 F15 better than the X6 F16 is because it's not as smushed in the front. And I'm gonna put up a photo so you guys could actually see what I mean. I'm gonna get a little side view here. And I'm gonna get a view of the other side. Sorry if it's loud, guys. I have work trucks passing by in the background. And I'm gonna let you see this side here. Number two, the aerodynamics kit is better on the F15 X5 than the X6 F16. And this is the aerodynamics kit. It comes with this front splitter right here in the front. I'm gonna bring it around the side. It also comes with this little flap here on the back. I guess that's for like who knows, wind smoothing when turbulent air leaves the rear wheel arch. And it also comes with this rear diffuser here at the bottom, as well as the exhaust tip change, because the 35i comes with round exhaust tips, which don't look as masculine as the squared off exhaust tips. So it changes the entire look of the truck in general. And I'm gonna get a scoot back a little bit so you guys can see the kit all together. That's a beautiful aerodynamics kit. And I'm also gonna put up a couple of pictures so you guys can see it versus the X6 of the same year aerodynamics kit, because the X6 doesn't look near this good at all. Another thing that I love about this car, well, this truck, is it's an S drive. And I know most people say, well, why do you like the S drive better than the S drive better than the X drive, which is a 4-wheel drive? That's because it's less weight, it's less drivetrain loss, and 9 times out of 10, anyone is gonna tell you that the S drive is a lot quicker than the X drive off the line and in general. You know, for the same 35i platform. You know, and the rear differential on the S drive also has torque vectoring, where it can send power to the inside wheel to get it where it moves faster than the outside wheel, or slower, depending on what speed you're going, to get around corners easier. So it actually is a good vehicle with handling, also even being quicker than the X drive. Okay, so that's number 3. For number 4 is gonna be the panoramic roof. And you see it almost encases the entire roof of the SUV. I'm gonna open the door here and give you a inside view. And the thing I love about the panoramic roof inside of the X5 is that it goes all the way back. And I mean all the way back. Most panoramic roofs stop halfway back and the rest is just glass, but this guy here opens all the way up. So even if you were in the rear seat, you can pop your head up through the back. that would be number 4. And one of my favorite options for this truck is the super over exaggerated wheel and tire options. These are a 20-inch wheel with a 275 40/20 on the front, 10-inch wide wheel. And I actually have a video unboxing these wheels that I'm going to put a link down in the description. And I'm also going to put a link down in the description where you can get the aerodynamics kit. And on the rear wheel here, we have a 315 35/20. And this is an 11-inch wide wheel in the rear. And guys, I know that you seeing it on this camera doesn't do it any justice. But if you was to see this truck in person and see how wide those rear wheels are, I mean, it's almost ridiculous. It's ridiculous to the point where my mom actually made a comment on it. She like, son, why are the rear wheels so wide on that truck? And she knows nothing about cars at all, but she noticed it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me try to get down there further. It's hard to see, but if you guys were in person, you would see exactly how wide those rear wheels actually are. And I'm gonna do one more walk around the truck, guys, just so you can get a full view of exactly what this truck looks like. There we go. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, but what I need you to do right now is like, share, and subscribe to the content. And if you're new here, welcome to the Autolust family. And if you've been here before or you're already an Autolust member, what's going on, gang? How you doing? But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Links for the body kit and the wheel unboxing video will be down in the description. And I'll see you guys on another video. Autolust out.